Unboxing the whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. The mesh is a modular wireless system consisting of multiple nodes, specifically designed to update your existing Wi-Fi network. Included in the box you will find 3 wireless nodes, 1 Ethernet cable, 1 power adapter for each node, and 1 insert with quick setup instructions. To install the Nexxt wireless app, start by scanning the QR code from the quick setup guide. Next, you will be prompted to select your platform, Android or iOS. Begin the application download by tapping the App Store button. Initial configuration. Plug it in with the DC adapter. Connect the Ethernet cable to the modem and to the node's WAN/LAN port. When the node is ready for setup, the LED light will glow solid green. Tap on the Nexxt wireless app to launch it. The app will guide you through the initial setting up of your Vektor. Once the app shows the newly detected Vektor Wi-Fi system, select it. Remember to enable the Wi-Fi network first and move the phone close to your node. Choose a network name and password to add the Vektor to your Smart Cloud account. Set up your additional nodes. If using the additional nodes, you need to set them up now. Keep in mind that to get the best out of your system, place the nodes about 2 rooms away from each other or in different floors. The nodes will be added to your Vektor system, automatically expanding your Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi everywhere. Room to room, wall to wall, floor to floor.